Hello and welcome. So that is the new Kaido house that we have. It's a Chevy Silverado. You know, I like the Silverados. We've seen a similar color combination even in the hospital scheme of things, but this being a Kaido house, of course, means that it is going to look more extravagant. It's also going to be a lot more detailed. So without further ado, let's check what it's all about. Now, as you're aware, they have done other versions of the Silverado. In fact, there are plenty of versions of the Silverado that Kaido House has done. There's also that beautiful HKS paint job if you want something that is a lot more detailed, but detailed in terms of the livery, I mean. This one is going to have more classic vibes to it. So let's check out what this one looks like. I'm out in the mountains, don't want to dirty anything here, don't want to litter anything here. It's always best to leave things in the nature the way they were meant to be. So that is the card art. It says Chevrolet Silverado Dually Vintage Spec V1. So like I said, it's got a vintage color combo and it's a dual tone combination that they're going with, a blue and a white. The box looks quite nice. That blue is not exactly a sky blue, but a nice light blue, and at the back you will see, of course, the TSM hologram. As always, there's also the GM hologram with a 3D look to it. I like how deep that GM looks in the hologram. And licensed product as always. Let's see, Kaido House loves doing some card art or art on the inside of the box as well. So let's see what they've done this time. Silverado shows an old Silverado in a maroon color with some cowboys sitting inside with those big cowboy hats. That just immediately tells you what it's going to be like. But this, of course, oh, it's just a repetition of that. I think they should have done something on the other side. But anyway, that's the box art. And what we are going to get inside is obviously going to be different. It's not going to have the typical old school look. It's going to have the typical Kaido house look, which means that it is nice and low slung. So there we go. That is the scale model. The blue has a beautiful glint in it. You get the Kaido house branding here. Now, we've seen the Silverado, like I said, in the HKS. Even Mizu Diecast did one version that was also quite beautiful. And this one is gorgeous in that blue and white, that thick white stripe running, a very thin black stripe running right underneath. Beautifully done. And let me also show you the front end. That is what the front end looks like. Plenty of chrome on there, nice and shiny chrome. And we've got chrome blue seats inside. How cool is that? Is that cool or is that them being lazy? I don't know, but the blue seats definitely look good. It's essentially the same paint that has been carried over to the inside as well. But yeah, I think it looks quite nice. And then you get a tiny red Kaido House branding at the back, Chevrolet branding here. You see the lights on top, big tail lights here. And you see how low slung it is. It's almost brushing, right? You can see that. It's almost brushing the surface of my car. And you can maybe put some trailer there, but I'm not sure. The height is so low, I'm not sure if you can put a trailer there. As always, you get a opening little panel here. Quite nice. The wheels, deep dish wheels, like really deep at the back and not that deep at the front. Let's also pop this open. So there you go. You see the engine inside with the Kaido House branding again. Nicely done. Nicely done. And then the rubberized mirrors, as always, done up in a satin finish, which looks great. The steering is done up in white. So, like I said, in the cabin, they've used the same paint on the seats and the same white paint on the steering to continue with that white and blue look. And I think it looks gorgeous. I mean, here out in the open right now, in the sunlight, that blue is shining so much. I'm not sure how much the camera is really picking up, but that blue is really shiny. See that? Rolling wheels, of course. That is the opening panel again from a slightly higher angle. There you go. Opens easily. Same for the bonnet. It opens very easily. Don't want to end up scratching it. But even opening and closing it, it's not going to be as hard as, say, the BMW M3 that we had from Kaido House. So this is going to be definitely much easier. Now, even the center console inside is done up in the same white, whereas the dashboard is done up in the blue. Down below, shiny base as always from Kaido House. Says made in China, 1983 Chevy Silverado, and used under license. It's a licensed product. And check that out. So I'm not sure if you saw this detail in the other Silverados, but you get four wheels at the back. So that is quite nicely replicated in here. But though it's four wheels, if you look at how deep dish the wheels are, the inner disc is actually for the inner wheel. It's not for the wheel that's sitting at the front. So that's two tires on one really long wheel. It's almost as long as this, but there is, of course, a separation in between. And of course, if you want to change these wheels or whatever, you can always remove these little bolts and then do your customization work, swap the wheels, etc. You get the two exhaust pipes coming out from either end. So nicely executed. Even the front end is quite nice. You see the stacked up headlights, the chrome bumper, these two horns in the front. You can maybe also put some bovine horns here if you want to customize it, give it that Texas look, or maybe put a moustache. I don't know. You also have the Chevrolet logo here. But if I were to add this to my collection, which I have, of course, but I would just keep it as it is because I simply love the look of this. That blue white classic look with that slammed stance, I think looks gorgeous. But as always, let me know your opinion, guys. What do you think about the car? Do you like it? Will you add it to your collection? Are you a fan of Silverados? Are you a fan of the Kaido House Silverados? If you are, let us know what other Silverados should the other collectors add in their collection. Thank you so much for watching this one. Until the next one, take care, drive safe, and happy collecting.